morning. Good morning. I just want to leave you guys a quick video. I was asked a question by a young lady yesterday, and she had asked a question on my YouTube channel asking if, I think she was asking on behalf of her mother or her father, I wasn't sure, but if they would be able to qualify for an investment property using being on SSI. And that is a very good question. I've never been asked that. I know that you can buy a primary residence on SSI if you're a disabled vet and you got benefits coming in or what have you. I know that you can go ahead and qualify for a primary residence. An investment property, that is a very good question. I'm going to have a link below. I believe you can, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to have a link below for a company, an organization called NACA, NACA.com. And I want you to look at the link because there's several people talking about that NACA program. They're talking about contact your local lender and that type of thing to get pre-qualified, because the lenders definitely want to see, obviously, income and credit, making sure your debt to income ratio is not too high. Make sure you have the solid credit and that type of thing, getting pre-qualified. And so, you know, actually, hopefully some lenders can comment on this video and let me know. That's a very good question. If you can buy investment property utilizing SSI. I've never been asked that. And for many of you out there that are on SSI or what have you, just know that you can acquire a primary residence utilizing SSI, but the lender is going to need to see the entire picture, not just income per credit at the same time, okay? So don't think you have to go ahead and stay stuck in that situation, whether it be a rental or what have you. You can go ahead and qualify for a property. And in fact, I'm going to give you an idea about acquiring a property. Think about some units. You know, think about a triplex or a fourplex where you can go ahead and live in one, and then you can rent out the other three. Let's say it's a fourplex or it's a triplex. You can rent out the other two, the other three units. So now your tenants are not, your tenants are paying your rent. They're paying your mortgage. And now you're living kind of like mortgage and rent free. Think about that. Think about that concept. Take advantage of that. I know that NACA program is excellent. NACA's foundation, they don't focus so much on credit. They focus more so on character. You know, how are you with your finances? You know, my wife and I attended an event a while back, and we were blown away at the number of people that were actually utilizing that program. It's very beneficial, and it's helped out lots of people, okay? Once again, look at the link in the description. If you all found value in this video, please click the like button, share it with family and friends, and if you all are interested, feel free to join up with us on the Facebook House Flipping Family group, okay? All right, y'all have a beautiful day. Take care.